In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can delete your Facebook page. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go here into the Facebook app and log in into your account or specifically your Facebook page. So you can do that by going into the menu button on the bottom right. And from here, I'm just going to go back. And basically, I'm just going to go here into this menu. And now, once you're here, you just simply want to log in into the page or sign in as the page first by tapping here on the drop down arrow icon on the top right. And then from here, I'm just going to go for my sample page, for example. So now, once you're logged in as a page, you just simply want to tap here on the menu button again on the bottom right. And then now, you just want to go into your page settings by tapping on the settings icon on the top right. And now once you're here is that you want to scroll down until you see your information section. And in here you can see access and control. You want to tap on it. And now from here is that you can deactivate, unpublish, or delete. So what we want is to delete this page. So select that and then click on continue. Once you're here is that it will now ask you why, and before you delete, there are some notice in here and so on. But if you don't mind that, then you can tap here on continue, and then now you will now be permanently deleting this page. So you can download your info as you go, or you could go into your activity log first and see your archive if you want. So those are optional steps, and then once you are ready, you want to tap on continue again. And from here, to finalize the deletion is that you would need to enter the password on your account in here that has the permission, or if you're the owner or a super admin and you have the permission to delete a page, then you just need to log into your account and then enter your password in here. And after that, your Facebook page will now be processed for deletion. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.